up like a boss, and I be thinking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We was saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Tanisha and I like to do anything beauty related. Beauty, fashion, makeup, hair, wigs, crochets. That's all me. I love anything hair, and that's what y'all love. Y'all love to see these hair videos, so I'm gonna keep giving y'all this hair videos. Today's video is gonna be another crochet lock. It's gonna be a little bit different than the other crochet video that I posted. The other one was the butterfly locks. This one is actually gonna be the Freetress Crochet Gorgeous Locks, or they will be called the Goddess Locks. Absolute favorite hairstyle. Like, I wear this hairstyle probably about 10 times a year. When I die, please bury me in this hairstyle. I'm just joking, but for real, I don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna go ahead and hop right into it. The hair is gonna be the Freetress Braid, and it is the 18-inch Gorgeous Locks. This is what the pack looks like. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see the stock card. I have these in 18 inches, Gorgeous Locks, and in the color number 2. I typically do a 1B, but they were out of the 1B, so I opted for a 2. Pretty sure it's gonna all look the same anyway. It's gonna have the same outcome. So, gonna go ahead into the specs of it. Once you open it up, comes like your regular crochet. I want to say it has 24 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 strands in this. And once again, I have 6 packs. I have the same exact braid pattern that I always use. The only thing that may change with my braid pattern is how many braids I have across the front. My rule for this is how many braids I want across the front is about the size of the crochet that I'm using. So the locks, they are pretty small. So I like my braids to be about the size of the braids. The butterfly locks, they were bigger, so my braids across the front were bigger. So the braid pattern is I have 12 braids across the front, and then I have the beehive in the back. This is the beehive. No, it looks crazy, but trust the process because it works for me. I wear crochets year round and it works for me. I left this part out because I did get a lot of questions on my last video about how I secure at the end. So basically, this is the middle of the beehive. Only thing I do is crochet it across. I don't sew it down or do anything of that nature. I just crochet it across. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into it. Gonna let you know how long it takes. It is 1:45. Gonna go ahead and start. So I go under the braid, grab the crochet, close the latch, pull through, grab the tail end. You got yourself a gorgeous lock, and that's it. Gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head. And this is the end of one pack. I'm going to turn around so you can see what the back looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and install the second pack. And I typically like to space them out about 2 finger widths apart in the back to ensure that I do not run out of hair. So I'm going to turn around and show you. Don't go for my braids, but I'm going to turn around and show you how much I'm spacing them out. Hoping y'all can see that, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the install. So that was the end of the second pack. I'm going to turn around so you can see what it looks like. End of the second pack. Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the third pack. This is the end of the third pack. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. And I'll be back once I finish the end of the fourth pack. So this is what the end of the fourth pack looks like. I have 2 more packs left, and I'm actually just going to go ahead and film that while I'm on camera. So same process that I've been doing all videos, same process that I do on all my crochets. I like to go underneath the braid. So I'm going to go underneath the braid, pull through, grab the end, close the latch, pull up. Same concept. Close the latch, pull through. And by doing it under the braid, it allows it to lay flat. I'm just going to keep doing it through the rest of my head. This right here is the end of the 5th pack. I have 1 more pack to install, and it looks good already. It's already getting full. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the last pack now. And on this side, I did the needle going down. On this side, I want to do the needle going down as well, so that I could do a middle part if I want to. And that way, when I flip it, I can still flip it over here or whatever side. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this on camera real quick. So I'm back. I just completed the install. This is all 6 packs. I just absolutely love it. Like, this is my favorite style. Like, bury me in this style for real. At my funeral, you will see me with some Crochet Goddess locks. Took me about 35-40 minutes. It is 2:22 and I started at 1:45. So 35-36 minutes. Really simple, really simple. And the braid pattern that I have, it does allow me to change it up how I would like to wear it. Right now I have it installed in the middle part, but it can be switched up. Switch it over to this side if you wanted to. You could also wear it up. The braid pattern is so versatile. It allows for it to be worn up. You could also pull it all up. So yeah, I said this is my favorite hairstyle. So I say, get you a crochet. Like, it's 2021. Who got time to be sitting for hours? Get you a crochet. Those are the ends. Hope you like this video. Like it, thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss my next video. See you in the next one.